Hello, it's Foxy Dilo. I'm here with another flip through. This time we have a series of 3 quite chunky journals, and I'm calling these my workbooks, my crafters workbooks. As you can see, they're quite chunky. They can squish and expand quite a bit depending on what you want to have inside of them. And at the end of showing them, I'll do a little demonstration of what kind of things I imagine, how using these would go. So the covers are all similar, but different. They have their own personality. Each one has a little flip out with some little note paper, a little stitched folio. I have a few little stickers tucked in this little lace pocket. And this one has this little dandelion. Then we'll go through this one. Life does not have to be perfect to be wonderful. There's this one. I just thought it was prettier on this side, so that's what I did. So yes, each of them are striped. As you can see, like, it gets pretty flat. When you open it up, you have these 2 pieces of felt on the cover, inside cover. Starts out with the little folders that I like to make and the messy stitch tag. Got some little envelope writing paper. Decorated with some washi tapes on some pages. Got a little pocket. Coffee dyed colored copy paper. Some little tags I've made. And backed with paper as well. Oop. So this is a 6 signature. 5, 6. Yep, 6 signature. Each signature has a little tab on it. Little fabric pocket. Little collaged edge. Writing paper there. I love the color this one turned with coffee dyeing. And it's so crinkly. I love the sound. This one, little rosettes on the bottom. So it has a little tag there, little writing paper there. This is a flip around or a fold around pocket. More washi. A decoupage napkin on a little bag pocket. Little writing space there. The other half of the bag. A fabric page. This tag. Little stamped coin pouch and a little torn and stamped thing with a little double-sided tag right there. A variety of papers in these as well. Little tickets and a tag. And the other half, the other side, I mean, not half, of the felt cover gives it a nice little squish. And these like to fall out, so probably have to find a more permanent home for these stickers soon. Okay, that's the first one. I'll go through the green one now. I've shown you the cover, and here's the pretty stripe. Isn't this adorable? I love that little scene. Some of the same types of ephemera and pockets and such. This has a fun texture on that one as well. I'll hit the highlights on these since they're very similar on the insides. A fabric pocket. Chicken page. And all this nice stitching, and this is a flip open tag like that. It says follow your dreams. Another one of these around the page pockets, and it's got the little heart tag there. So of course lots of writing space in these journals. Here's the fabric page for this one. It's just cotton, and I've pinked around the edges. I'll slow the fraying down, but you will get a nice little frayed edge eventually as you use it. There's another stamped envelope. That one's a single-sided tag. That one has got the cute moth stamp on there. I love these little tabs that I put on here. Well, I made the tabs as well, but isn't that cool how that page came out? Love the crinkle. I don't know if you can hear it. And there's the back. So that's the green one. The one with the dandelion. It's like a more rich kind of coral color. And these will all be in my eBay. This one's got a bright yellow felt on it. This one is the brightest on the inside as well. I love how cheerful this is. Just that little envelope and writing space. This would be a bit easier if you, you know, weren't standing up. fabric pocket with a really cute collage work around the edge of that journaling card. A little heart tag. Chicken page. And this one is also one of the double tags. Love the patterns that I've used in here. A little washi. Okay. This is pretty. That's got some Distress Oxide I put on it around the edges. Thought that was really nice how that turned out. And then these bag pockets. And got some bright red on that one. Last signature. Okay, now for my demonstration of how I think this would be used nicely. So say you have some supplies you were planning on using in your craft, and you wanted it. You like to journal about, whatever your goings on in the day is, but you need some of your supplies and you don't want to carry multiple things. Here's what I would do. So that's why I have this little place here. You could put like your sharp things in between and then just safety pin them. Flip it over, I think. No, okay. Sorry. Just safety pin them inside. This is just a suggestion, you can use it however you'd like. But, you could do that with your scissors. You could take this is how I have them just for one section. I mean, for something I'm doing at home, but just stab it through like that and have it hidden. You could add another one on the top, but I think it'll be fun like that. But yeah, so your sharp things, and then you're just carrying your one journal around. And then also how I have it where it can flatten out but also expand. I would go to one of the middle of my signatures like that. Just put my cloth in between like that, whatever I was working on, and then it would just be in there. And you could have your notes and things throughout. Like if you had one project, you had that there, and for another project you wanted to use that, and so on. And it keeps it all separated. I thought it was a neat idea, so I went with it. And that's why I call it my crafter workbook. So I guess I will include a few safety pins attached to this just in case you would like to use it that way. But not my scissors. Yeah, so that's what I thought was a neat idea. Like I said, I'll add a few safety pins and things in there. And you can find these on my eBay. I'm also open to commissions if you like this style of journal, but you want like a different color scheme or something. I would definitely be willing to make some more. Yeah, so just go check out my eBay. I have a description in the link below. Nope, I have a link in the description below. Swift it. And thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this little flip through and demonstration. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye!